In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to customize the SuiteDash CRM dashboard for maximum efficiency. If you're looking to streamline your workflow and get the most out of the software, stay tuned. I'll walk you through some essential tips that will help boost your productivity. First off, SuiteDash offers a lot of customization options, but figuring out how to make the dashboard work for you can take some time. The key is to focus on your most critical tasks and features. This brings us to the first thing, organizing your widgets. When you first log in, SuiteDash gives you a blank dashboard. To maximize efficiency, you need to start by placing the widgets that matter most to you in the most accessible spots. Whether it's recent client interactions, project timelines, or task statuses, drag and drop your widgets to create a layout that works best for your daily needs. You'll be able to access all the info you need at a glance without having to dig through multiple tabs. Next, let's talk about customizing your color scheme. SuiteDash allows you to change the color of the dashboard to match your branding. This might seem like a small tweak, but it can improve your user experience by making everything feel more personalized. You'll be able to navigate through this software more comfortably, and the cohesive branding helps when you're presenting to clients. Don't overlook this feature, especially if you're using SuiteDash for client-facing purposes. The third thing you'll want to focus on is setting up automation for tasks and reminders. SuiteDash does a great job of offering automated reminders and task management tools, but customization is the key. For instance, you can set reminders for follow-ups or for completing specific tasks. This keeps your day running smoothly without the need to constantly monitor your schedule. Automating these little things means less room for human error and a more organized dashboard overall. You can set up automation directly within your dashboard settings, saving you time in the long run. Next thing to consider is personalizing your client portal. SuiteDash gives you the option to fully customize the client portal. If you're managing a lot of clients, this can be a game changer. You can adjust what information your clients see, manage their projects, and even include documents or media relevant to their accounts. This not only makes the client experience better, but it also frees up your time from managing details that could be automated or accessed easily by the client. The fifth thing is integration with other tools. SuiteDash integrates with a wide range of third-party apps like email marketing tools, project management software, and payment systems. Customizing these integrations means you can pull in all your data into one place. You won't have to jump between tools, which could easily lead to missed opportunities or inefficiencies. So, if you're using other tools alongside SuiteDash, make sure everything is connected to avoid having to switch between platforms unnecessarily. Now, while SuiteDash is powerful and offers a lot of features, it does have its limitations. The customization process can be a bit cumbersome at times, especially if you're looking for specific options that are only available through third-party integrations. The UI isn't the most intuitive, and it can feel overwhelming for new users who might not be familiar with CRM dashboards. This is where the real secret lies, the best alternative CRM for maximizing efficiency. Stick around because I'll share that with you in a second. Before I get to that, though, I wanted to let you know that we've partnered with SuiteDash to give you an exclusive, extended free trial so you can test out all the customization features for yourself. But as promised, I'll also mention some amazing alternatives that you can check out, ones that might better suit your needs and goals, especially if you're looking for a more streamlined approach to customizing your CRM dashboard. Check out the link in the description below for your exclusive free trial and to explore these alternatives. These platforms also offer free trials and come with some incredible benefits that could really make a difference in your daily operations. Don't miss out on the best CRM options for maximizing efficiency today.